What if I told you that just one tiny habit could change your entire life? Sounds too simple, right? But that's exactly what today's book is all about. Welcome back to English Easy Cast, the podcast where learning English is super simple and super fun. Today, we're not just learning English. We're learning how to improve our life using small, powerful habits. Let's explore the amazing book Atomic Habits by James Clear in easy English, step by step. Point 1. What are atomic habits? The word atomic means tiny, like an atom. But atomic habits are not just small, they are powerful. James Clear says real change doesn't come from big goals. It comes from small actions repeated every day, like brushing your teeth, reading for 10 minutes, or walking 5,000 steps. These may seem small, but over time, they create big results. Point 2. The power of 1% improvement. What if you got just 1% better every day? That sounds small, right? But after 1 year, you'll be 37 times better than when you started. This is called compound growth. Like how money grows with interest, your habits also grow when you repeat them daily. Small changes bring big impact. Interesting, right? Let's go even deeper. Point 3. Focus on systems, not just goals. Most people say things like, I want to lose 10 kilograms. I want to make more money. These are goals. But goals don't help if you don't have a system. A system is a daily routine that helps you reach your goal. For example, goal, run a marathon. System, run every day, eat healthy, sleep well. Goals give direction. Systems create real progress. Point 4. Identity-based habits. This is one of the most powerful lessons in the book. Don't just ask, what do I want to achieve? Ask, who do I want to become? Example, instead of saying I want to write a book, say, I am a writer. Instead of I want to eat healthy, say, I am a healthy person. Every small habit is like a vote for the person you want to be. Point 5. The 4 laws of behavior change. James Clear gives us 4 simple steps to build any habit. Law 1. Make it obvious. Put visual reminders around you. Example, want to drink more water? Keep a water bottle on your table. Law 2. Make it attractive. Make it fun. Example, listen to your favorite music only while exercising. Law 3. Make it easy. Start small. Example, want to meditate? Start with just 2 minutes. Law 4. Make it satisfying. Reward yourself. Example, tick off the habit in your tracker. It feels good. When a habit feels good, your brain wants to do it again. Let's learn a simple trick that makes new habits even easier. Point 6. Habit stacking. Habit stacking means adding a new habit right after an old one. Formula. After I current habit, I will new habit. Examples. After I brush my teeth, I will meditate for 2 minutes. After I drink morning tea, I will write in my journal. Your brain connects a new habit to the old one, and it becomes automatic. Point 7. Environment matters more than motivation. People think they need more motivation, but James Clear says, environment is stronger than motivation. Example, want to eat healthy? Don't buy junk food. Want to study? Keep your phone in another room. Design your environment to support good habits. Point 8. Track your progress. When you see your progress, you feel motivated. Use a simple habit tracker or notebook. Tick each day you complete a habit. Try not to break the chain. The longer the streak, the stronger the habit. Point 9. Be patient. Habits take time. Real change doesn't happen overnight. Don't expect big results in 3 days. Trust the process. Stay consistent. Remember, 1% better every day builds over time. Point 10. Final thoughts. Let's quickly remember what we learned. Tiny habits equal big results. 1% daily improvement works. Focus on systems, not just goals. Identity shapes your habits. The 4 laws make change easier. Environment and habit tracking matter. And finally, be patient and stay consistent. So remember, big changes come from small steps. A 1% improvement every day, building tiny habits, shaping your identity, and staying consistent. That's how real transformation begins. Thanks for listening to English EasyCast, where simple English meets powerful ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. See you in the next episode.